I cooked, I don't think it really has a name, just something I learned from a firefighter. Just potatoes, sausages, some shrimp, yellow onions, top it with some kale. My name is Nick. I'm a firefighter with the city of Fresno. Been here for almost 2 years. I chose this meal because it's decently healthy. It's not too hard to cook, so it's one that the crews like. So first I boil my potatoes for about 5 minutes just to soften them up a little bit. Once the potatoes are done, I cut them in half. I then cook up my 2 different sausages at the same time. I use 2 links of the beef sausage, 4 smaller links of the hot links. Do some yellow onions, saute those, throw in the shrimp. And once everything's ready and complete, throw it all together, get all the different flavors mixed in with each other. And then the last step is just cutting up the kale and then adding the kale to the dish and letting it warm up and wilt down a little bit, and then after that it's all complete.
Thanks, Nick. Thanks, Nick.
No problem.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome. So far, good feedback, so I think I'll keep it in the book.